Hi, Ron Lange with Menkes at One Sherway. We are in our main lobby right now. It's been a few months since we've done our last update, so I'd like to show you around of what we've accomplished. This is going to be our future media lounge. You're going to have some washrooms back here, and here's going to be just a nice relaxing media lounge with a nice fireplace. It's a great atmosphere just to relax with friends, wait for somebody if they're coming getting picked up by a taxi. Just a really nice space to relax in. We are now in our future party room. It's a two-story party room with a mezzanine upper sort of lounge area. This is the infrastructure is in place right now that within about a week we'll be start drywalling here. So now we are in our future gym. This is a great southern exposure. It's a two-story gym with all the equipment will be spread out amongst this area. It'll be a great invigorating space to do your workout. So here's an amazing two-story pool that we're putting in construction now. So from the pool, we'll have a great view of our parkland. We've got a good start ahead here with our patios and with the elements for our future parkland. So here we are in one of our typical suites. You can see there's been quite a bit of progress since the last time we were in one of these suites. We now have tiles in, kitchens, granite, the backsplashes are progressing. So our suites are looking great. They're on schedule. We have some final cleanup and some final finishes to be done before our pre-delivery inspections. This is Ron Lange at One Sherway signing off.